Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for promotions on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off notifications for these promotions on DoorDash. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Next, click on Settings on the top hand side. Then go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see underneath Account Settings where it says Notifications. Click on Notifications. So where it says DoorDash Offers, click on DoorDash Offers, and then toggle this off. Then click on Done. Additionally, you can also turn off Store Offers as well, and then click on Done, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for promotions on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.